What does the Ahmadi Muslims stand for? If it's not, well, you know, we get the most of our informations about Islam from, for instance, Iran. So what does you stand for?
You see, I, as head of the Ahmadiyya community, can assure you positively that according to our study of Islam, Islam does not in any way advocate taking of law into one's own hands. Islam does not advocate use of force in religion or religious ideas. Islam does not advocate terrorism and all such nonsense. Islam is a very widely misunderstood religion today. While Islam is magnanimous in its approach to other religions, it's a religion of peace. The very name Islam is peace. So all that Islam teaches is a good, is a better and improved relationship between man and man, regardless of his religion, color or creed.